Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can unhide videos in files by Google in Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Friends, you can see when you click on videos, it is not showing in all. You can see it is showing yesterday in one video. So let's start. First you have to click on save folder. Here you have to enter the pin like this. Click on next, and here it is the video that is hidden. Click on three dots and click on move out of save folder. And friends, you can see in the videos here it is showing. This is how you can unhide your videos in files by Google in Redmi smartphone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.